In what can only be described as an unbelievable twist, the political climate in Gulu City has taken a dramatic turn following the arrival of the NRM contenders in Badege-Laibi division. Their presence sent shock waves through the constituency, reshaping early expectations and stirring new political excitement. NRM candidate enter the race with full momentum, disrupting the calm political waters of Badege-Laibi division. Among those seeking the Gulu West parliamentary seats are prominent names like Ugeri, Bosmig, Dennis Uwera, Olal Roy, and Uchula Michael. But all eyes have now returned to the incumbent Honorable Jara Martin Mapenduzi. After his nomination, Mapenduzi wasted no time. He swiftly returned to the ground, reconnecting with his electorate, holding meetings and renewing his commitment to community-centered leadership. His agenda now resonates strongly with the people, addressing pressing local concerns, a move that has re-energized his campaign. In one of the largest political gatherings held recently, Mapenduzi was received with overwhelming love, signaling renewed public confidence. While the race remained tight, his grassroots approach could tilt the balance in his favor. As the competition heats up, we remind all candidates and their supporters, politics should be a contest of ideas, not character assassination. Malicious campaigns and misinformation may momentarily trend, but they often backfire, entertaining voters rather than convincing them. In the end, it is strategies, not slander, that win election. Gulu City deserves a dignified and issue-based campaign